If you still think AI video looks fake, glitchy and plastic, you are about to change your mind because AI video has gone too far. Seedance 2.0 is now available in Pippit Video Agent for the first time ever around the world and is free for a limited time. And this is not just another small update, this is when AI video stop looking like AI. AI video has had a limit for the last few years. It might impress you for 5 seconds, then the cracks appeared. The skin looks like wax, limpant while moving, the background were bent, physics bro, you could always tell. That AI look is no longer in style. Seedance 2.0 inside Pippit gives you an ultra realistic experience that is so real it makes you feel uncomfortable in a good way. Textures let airs in, fabric naturally folds, the skin responds to light like real skin does. Inertia and gravity control motion, nothing scratches when something turns their head, and the world does not melt behind them when the camera moves. Lastly, AI character looks like real people, not mannequins that are trying to look like people, but that's only part of the story. Control is what really changed the game. With Seedance 2.0, Pippit Video Agent lets you do more than just type prompts and hope for the best. You are directing scenes with a purpose. You can tell the camera to move like a slow cinematic push in the subtle handle energy, and it will. You can ask for a fast orbit around the product with dynamic parallax, and it works perfectly. Shot from an overhead crane, shots that follow, pulls back that are very dramatic. Control tilts, you don't have to use static AI frames anymore. Moving the camera without a camera, that's not a feature, that's a leverage. And this is where it gets serious. The motion stays strong. No more melting arms and legs, no more background that look weird when you are moving. No broken frames in scenes with a lot of actions. Physics stays the same even when things get crazy. That means you can make supernatural fights, high energy dance battles, fast moving product spins, or movie like action scenes, and the motion will stay together. No Stranger Things, no problem with anatomy, just movement that is smooth and rock solid. And this is where AI generation goes from being a fun idea to something useful. Now, let's add a story to it. Seedance 2.0 does more than just make cool pictures. It knows how to keep a story going. It keeps the same character identity through cuts. It keeps the emotional tone the same between scenes. That means you can make short dramas, branded mini-series, episodic content, or ads that tell a story without the scenes falling apart when you switch between them. You are not pulling together random clips anymore. You are making movements that fit together, and since it lives inside Pippit, the workflow does not feel like a mess of technology. And you don't have to use 5 tools at once. You are working in a smart environment where generation, direction, and refinement happen smoothly. That means that creators can now carry out ideas that used to need a crew, a budget, and a post-production pipeline. You can make prototypes of movie ideas in just a few minutes. You can try out different camera angles without having to shoot again. You can change the tone and intensity without starting over. And this changes the economic of commercial production for brands. You want a product demo that looks like it comes straight out of a movie with dramatic lighting and camera movement that you can control. You can put it together. You want a 15-second ad that looks like it came from a high-end studio with close-up of textured food, dynamic pack shots, and emotional character reactions. You make it happen. You want a high-tech 3D style product reveal where particles come together and energy pulses react to what you do. Now you can see that level of spectacle. Demos of real products, angles that show off films, a point of view that is like a business. Get professional looking pictures without having to set up a traditional suit. It does not seem like a gimmick because it feels real. It seems like it was meant to happen. And this is where creators stop fighting over who has the best gear and start fighting over who has the clearest vision. Because that's the change. We are switching from editing based on timelines to directing based on intent. You don't have to drag clips around the screen and keyframes every movement. Instead, you just say what you want the scene to feel like. You decide how the camera works, you set the mood, and AI does the work while keeping things real, following the rules of physics and staying true to the story. And you are still in charge of the creative process. The technology makes things easier, and when there is less friction, there is more output. This launch is important for that reason. This is the first time Seedance 2.0 has been released worldwide as part of Pippit Video Agent. Not beta, not a preview, launch around the world and is free for a short time. That means does not happen very often. Cutting edge features that are easy to get to before the market fully adjusts. You can sign up for Pippit right now and get Seedance 2.0 and daily credits to try things out. You can check for Realism, push the button, look into the direction of camera, make scenes for story, make images that are good enough for business. Check out how far it really goes, because the pipeline expectation changes once the industry adjusts to this level of realism and control. AI video got better, but not just that, it grew up from fake to real, from broken to solid, from still frames to directed film, from random clips to a story that makes sense. Seedance 2.0 is now available in Pippit Video Agent. And again, first time ever on the world stage, free for a limited time. This is not something you can ignore and come back to next year if you make content. You should test it now. The description has the link. Go check to see if you can still tell the difference between real and fake footage. If you can't, that's the whole point. And again, link in the description of Pippit AI. Definitely go and try it out. And that's it. If you have any questions or curiosity to this video and regarding Pippit AI, then definitely comment down below. And if you want to learn more about AI, then go and watch this video now. And finally, before going, hit that subscribe button and that like button too.